Hello. This is a presentation created by Mubin, which is me, Mason Fletcher, and Mr. Singh here. Our recording was, our presentation was about autonomic nervous system. Um, and here are some slides. I had never done this before, but here goes nothing. Um, the introduction, the autonomic nervous system is a component of the peripheral nervous system. The term autonomic has the same root as the word autonomy or independence. It regulates involuntary um, sociologic, sociologic process including heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, digestion, and sexual arousal. It contains three autonomic distinct divisions, um, which includes sympathetic, um, pacific, uh, parasympathetic, and static. Moving on, sympathetic nervous system prepares the body of situation requiring the expenditure of energy. Also, primary process is, is to simulate the body fight or flight response. The sympathetic nervous system is described as being antagonistic or to the parasympathetic nervous system, which stimulates the body to feed and breathe, and to then rest and digest. Um, there's a whole picture where you can see the schematic illustration of the sympathetic system, which is described thoroughly here with liver, stomach, kidney, and all the connections, with including genitals, heart, and bunch of lungs and liver and everything else. Moving on. Parasympathetic nervous system. Also, it is subdivision of autonomic nervous system, which regulates bodily function, which are outside of the voluntary control, therefore being automatic. It leads to decreased arousal on areas which are like such as eyes, glands, produce saliva, nerves and the stomach, blood, vessels, and nerves that go to bladder. The PSMS begins in the brain and branches out via long fiber, which leads to connection. Neurons that are near the organs they intend to act upon, enabling quick responses. Also, there is another picture we have here, schematic illustration of um, parasympathetic nervous system. It shows how it's all connected to the back of the system, and in front here we have constrict uh, pupils, stimulates flow of saliva, um, constrict bronchi, slows heartbeat, and all the effects with contract bladder and stuff. And moving on to enteric nervous system, that is autonomous, an autonomous part of nervous system and includes a number of neural circuits that control motor function and local blood flow and secret modulates immune and endocrine function. And also there's a similar effect by here that connection with the intragon onyx stands, most enteric neurons involved in motor functions are located in the myenteric pullus, with some primary effects neurons located in the submucous plexus. And then there's another picture we have here, schematic version of autonomic nervous system. It shows all the connection we have. I can't really see now. Zooming in, my eyesight is kind of weak. But yeah, here's all the and lastly, in the nervous system fields, our nervous system is a highly important part of our body. Um, and it's mainly connection between our brain and the body. It has numerous amount of function and connections. uh, our brain is like no one. It won't have any connection with the other outside world as be blank in case it fails. Then we won't basically live. However, we might have a chance at living, but that will cost us greatly. Like losing our vision, having paralysis or even the most common problem which will happen if our nervous fails is that we'll lose our memory or capacity to remember things, and we'll never be able to remember our day-to-day task. And here are some citation of everything. Thank you.